On April 24th, I thought that it would be a great idea to place a ton of out-of-the-money call options before Tesla Motors releases their earnings. I thought that they were going to demolish their earnings, which of course they did, but I never took into account IV crush, also known as implied volatility, which absolutely demolished the value of my out-of-the-money contracts. In this video, you're about to see my live reaction to losing over $6,000 in less than 30 seconds the day after earnings. Make sure you smash that like button. I'm doing this video for you guys. So this all began on Wednesday when Tesla released their earnings after hours, and I was sitting in front of my computer anxious to see if they beat their expectations, which they did. I saw that in after hours, Tesla shot up $80 and I was already celebrating, posting on my IG story like a cocky little fuck, talking about how I was going to make $10,000 to $12,000 the next day. You would think that when a stock goes up, you'd make money, right? Yeah, fuck you, Ivy Crush. What most people don't realize when playing earnings is that your contracts lose a ton of value when they expire the next day, especially if they're an out-of-the-money contract. I've made 10 grand before in a single day, and it was from an in-the-money contract with a bigger time gap, which is extremely different from an out-of-the-money contract expiring the next day. But anyways, I don't want to bore you with the details. Look how retarded I look expecting to get $10,000 from this position, LOL. But right now I'm gonna do like a little reaction to see how much I'm gonna make on it, and then we'll see, because right now I'm down 2,400 on this position. It was a risk that I was willing to take, but right now in after hours we're seeing that the stock is having a lot of movement, and it had amazing earnings, so that caused the stock to kind of pop off. So we're gonna see what happens with the stock, and I'm also gonna do a little reaction. The market opens in literally 1 minute. Gotta have my phone out right now just to see and make sure that something retarded happens, so we gotta have this at the sell button. I'm gonna sell immediately at market open, so wish me luck. Wish me luck. All right, let's see. So right here, we're here. Okay, 30 seconds. Jesus, I'm trying to see. It's gonna be a total of 46 contracts. So we got 46. I'm gonna close them all. Market open, and we're up. What the fuck? Why did it say I'm down 5 grand? What the fuck? You can clearly tell from this video that I was hurting and I was trying to figure out where I went wrong with this trade. The fact that I went pretty heavy, at least what some people might call heavy, on this trade, which was worth $6,000, I completely fucked up by not knowing what IV crush, also known as implied volatility, meant, and because of that simple, stupid, technical mistake, I ended up losing $6,000 in the first 30 seconds, or not even 30 seconds, the first 5 seconds of market open. But thinking about it, that's nothing compared to what other people lost. I saw other people lost $50,000, somebody lost over $70,000, some people lost $500, some people lost $3,000, some people lost $200,000, a lot of people fucked up by not knowing about this Ivy crush, which completely decimated their accounts. At some point, you had to think, well, maybe there's still hope. Maybe there's still a chance that I can come back. Maybe there's still a chance that Tesla can go up another $50 to $60 within this market session, averaging a little bit more so that my Tesla contracts can be worth more. Well, that's what I was thinking the rest of the whole market session, until Mr. Elon Musk decided to drop a tweet saying that Tesla stock is overpriced, which caused the stock to drop over 8%. I believe it was 11%, but it just completely dropped when he dropped that tweet. Some guy lost 10,000 on that. Another guy lost even more money on that. A lot of the bulls, which means the people that make money when stocks go up, fucked up their accounts because they thought the complete opposite of what happened. Tesla decided to drop over $100 that day when that tweet was sent out publicly, and it completely devastated a lot of people's accounts. Now I know never to play out of the money contracts before earnings, because it is the dumbest thing that you can do unless you're on that Wall Street bets type of shit, which I highly encourage anybody and everybody to never do that. Please, just keep your money safe. Cash is king. What you guys have to realize before coming into the stock market, especially in a time like this in 2020 when things just don't make any sense, you saw how quick the market reacts. Elon Musk dropped a tweet out of nowhere. It literally came out of nowhere, and the stock just dropped like literally almost $100 in a day, and that caused everybody with call options to just suffer. So you got to be very careful when you do these type of trades, especially in the market right now. The market makes no sense because jobless claims came out saying that 30 million people are now unemployed, and then the market had one of its best days ever. It just doesn't make any sense at all when jobless claims come out and you see the market booming, and you see other news come out that's the complete opposite and the market goes down. It just doesn't make any sense. Warren Buffett just sold all his airline stocks. The market is giving such weird directions and such weird signals that it's very, very hard to really predict where the market is going, other than saying, yeah, the market's going down. Yeah, we know that, but right now there's just so much shit that's just being artificially pumped into the economy. That's gonna cause a bunch of fucking inflation down the line. And right now I just don't know where what stocks are the safest to play right now, unless you're like one of those long-term holders that you're just trying to buy Tesla right now and you think Tesla's gonna be worth $7,000 later down the line, and you just buy it and forget about it. Yo, for sure. But that's not who I am. I'm more of the trader type. I like day trading. I like swing trading. I like getting into trades on the day and getting out with some profits, or getting in and then just leaving it open for a few days and then seeing what happens. That's the type of person and the type of trader that I am. I try to profit as much as I can every single day. Try to end it at, even if it's green, even if I just make $20, I just want to make sure I end the day green. And I've been there. I've had fantastic days. I've had days where I made over 10 grand in a day. I've had days where I made 10 grand in a month, 4 grand in a day. I've had days 6 grand in a day, and then I've had days like this, losing 6K in a day. I've had days where I lost like $2,000 and I make three grand the next day. It's very very all over the place. And this all started happening this month. It's not like, oh, I'm inconsistent. No, I mean, I pretty much have the idea down. I got my strategy, and it's not broken, but truly nobody has these experiences yet, unless you're an experienced trader that went through 2008 and went through very choppy moments in the market. And yeah, you probably have like a good idea or a good understanding, or like you're some type of analyst or economist or somebody that's studies the economy and stuff. You guys have a good idea, but people like you and me that are like the average people, we really don't have a fucking clue where the market is going, which makes it 10 times harder for us to make these buying and selling decisions. So guys, my piece of advice is just be very, very careful when you're investing in the stock market, as you can see that shit goes wrong more times than you think. So you have to be very, very careful about that. But anyways, guys, this was just my live reaction to when I lost 6 grand the next day. Like I said, I'm not really tripping about it. I'm that type of entrepreneur that just figures it out and just keeps on hustling. This isn't my only stream of income either way. We got tons of income. Nah, I'm just playing. We don't got tons of income, but yeah, I'm just saying. I just don't depend on stocks solely. You know, I got marketing, I got discords, I got other things that provide income. So I'm not really like stressed all the way. You know, it's just one of those days. You know, it's just one of those days where you have a bad day in the stock market, and it happens. And if you plan on investing in the stock market, it's 100% coming to you. All right. So guys, I just want to end up the video right here. I hope you guys found this video a little bit funny. Maybe you guys like this video. Maybe you guys think I'm a piece of shit. I don't know, whatever. If you guys like this video, just make sure you drop a thumbs up, comment your favorite part in the video, subscribe, share it to your friends, and I'll appreciate it. If you made it up to this point, I appreciate you. Thank you so much, right? I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.